Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. This series of videos is designed to help you enjoy boating on the Broads safely. There are several bridges over the rivers on the Broads. You'll need to ensure your cruiser is low enough to fit safely under each of these if you plan to travel on these rivers. You'll find the air draft, the height of your cruiser above the waterline, either on a plaque in the cockpit of your cruiser or in the captain's manual. You should check this against the available clearance each time you pass under a bridge, as the water level may have changed. The height of each bridge will vary according to the tide. The bridge heights for high water will be listed on your captain's manual or on the Richardson's app. You'll also find height gauges on the approach to each bridge, which will tell you exactly how much room is available. Take plenty of time when passing under bridges. Lower the canopy and the windscreen before you approach the bridge. You should moor up to do this. Keep everyone off the deck and heads and limbs inside the cruiser until you are well clear of the bridge. Give way to boats that are moving in the same direction as the tide. Never fend the cruiser from the bridge using arms or legs, or stop or moor underneath the bridge. Wroxham and Potter Heigham bridges are particularly low. All hire cruisers must use the bridge pilot service at these locations. There is a small charge for these services, which will ensure safer passage. There are several swing bridges on the Broads. If these are closed and you are unable to pass underneath, give 3 blasts of the horn as you approach and follow instructions given on the illuminated bridge signs. If you are approaching or leaving Great Yarmouth, you will need to time your journey to pass under the bridges safely according to the tide heights. Check with the yacht station for the best times by calling 01493 842 794. If you have any questions about navigating bridges on the Broads, you'll get the opportunity to ask during your trial run. But if you have any concerns at any time during your holiday, you can call us for advice and assistance on the number in your captain's manual. Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.